Okay, this next little hill climb is freaking ridiculous. It's along the cliff this side and then goes up that way. I never made it before. I've got the winter experience now from this winter since I last hit this before the snow flew, and I got the Olins. Let's do it. Oh, and I got a saw now too. I can cut that one branch in the way if I can stop there anyways. Okay, here we go. It's gonna come up pretty soon. I hope that tree has been cut already. Maybe I'll take 2 runs at it. Here we go, guys. Dirtbike Survivor Man. This is the beginning. Slippery. There's that branch. You gotta get that branch. This was gnarly. How did I even manage this in the past? Okay, come on. Get the rear brake. Okay, so next time I can come through here. Holy crap, this is ridiculous. Is any of this else in my way? Should be okay? Or should I take the whole branch off? I don't know. I think that's fine. Holy crap, like I smashed this root with a cliff. Okay, so how do I turn around now? Okay. Oh shit. Just gotta get that front wheel over this front. Okay. I should have cut more of a branch, but whatever. Okay. Whew. You gotta do a quick swap over. It's gonna be more dangerous than you think. Get on the rear brake. Whoa. Anyways, that's enough for now, guys. Let's keep going. I gotta get back to base. Back to the long gallery for another show. Oh, yeah.